Hello there, welcome back to the new lecture. So, in this lecture, we have to discuss the third topic, how to apply hatch patterns to different materials. So, let's start with the third topic, hatching areas to represent material. So, for that, see, here I have opened my AutoCAD software. Now, here I am drawing, suppose I want to draw the wall in this 2D drawing. Okay, so how to create the wall, all of you know. From here you can select the rectangle and any of the shape, length and width, give it, and just use the offset command, o enter, and whatever can give the offset value, okay, as per your requirement. So suppose I have given the offset. Okay, here I have created the wall. Okay, whatever thickness here we have given, as per that thickness we have offset the wall. Now I want to create here one door, okay, to enter in this area any space. So how to create the door? Just draw one line and use the arc command, 3 point arc command. Select one point here and just off your ortho mode select second point any of here, and then third point, like this. Okay, so here I have drawn the door, getting. So in this way you can draw the door, then use the trim command to trim this one. So here we have drawn the door, just on your ortho mode and draw the line like this and join it to here. Okay, now here we have to discuss that how we have to apply the pattern, okay, to represent the material. So here you can see we have created the wall na, in 2D. So for what wall, which type of pattern we want? Generally wall we are creating for which type of pattern? Bricks. Okay, I'm using same H for H command, enter. Now from here, from this pattern list, hit on this drop down, and from here you have to select the bricks pattern. Hit on that bricks and pick point and pick this point. Now if you want to increase the scale, just select that pattern from here manually, just to enter. Whatever up to where you want to increase, just write down increase it. See, now here we have given the wall pattern. Same way inside this, here we have a floor, so you can give, floor is generally of concrete material, so you can fill. Just use the hatch pattern, from drop down list select concrete. So where it is, see, here you will get the concrete material. Hit on that pick point and pick inside this, left click and skip. Now if you want to reduce scale or increase, you can increase it from your 5, like this. Okay, so here in this way you can create any of the object, and as per that object you can represent the material. Same way I want to create the section view of this floor plan. So how to create? See, first of all in section view you have to create the floor. So see, I'm creating the floor. Just suppose this is my floor, any of the offset. Okay, so here I want to create the floor. So we have created the floor. Same way the total height, suppose the total height whatever, manually you can select it, total height of this room. So use the move command or copy command. Okay, we are drawing the section view, so whatever total height you can give it. Then we have to draw the slab, so whatever thickness of that slab, give it. If suppose you have given the fall inside the room, we have a false ceiling also, so you have to draw the false ceiling level, light thicks. Now here you have to show the continuous sign, so you can use the, just first by using the line command, just join it like this, then again repeat line command. See, here we have drawn, but how you can identify that uh, where is our slab and floor? So for the identification better is what, so this is our room, just copy it, and whatever thickness you can select the thickness of that wall. Okay, from here also you can give the use the copy command and select the thickness. Suppose I am selecting 100 mm. Okay, Now use the trim command, tr double enter, trim inside this like this. So here what we have done, we have created the section view of this room. Okay, now I want to represent this is my floor. So how you can represent, see, first use the trim command, trim this one also and extend this wall up to here, and trim this one, extend this wall up to here. Now this is my floor, so I want to use the concrete material here. So H for shortcut, hit on concrete material, pick a point and select this point. See, here you will get the concrete. Same way in slab also you want to show the concrete material. Okay, so you can just use that also. Okay, so for that what you have to do, H enter, then pick a point, select the concrete material, then pick a point like this. Same way this is our ceiling, whatever thickness of that ceiling you can give it thickness. Okay, this is our wall, I want to show the bricks here. Okay, so just H enter, from here you can select the bricks where it is. See, here you will get the bricks pattern, hit on that bricks pattern, pick a point, select this point, this one also, enter. Now just select that pattern. From here I want to increase the scale, so I have written 5. See, now you can see the section view. This is our floor. Here both side wall is there, then ceiling level and slab level. Okay, so in this way you can apply the different material to hatch pattern. Okay, so this is all about applying material to hatch pattern. So I hope all of you enjoy this session. See you in next one.